So good after good after morning or good afternoon. So we're going to continue our class about Ephesians or chapter 8. Okay. So so naman talapit. I guess we're in the collisions now. Okay, we will discuss the so-called one-dimensional collision. Okay. So, but before, let's take note that in any collision, so let's take note that in any collision, so number one, so the total momentum is constant. So meaning, uh, if you have an initial total momentum in any collision, the the final momentum is equal to the final total momentum is equal to the initial total momentum. Okay, that's for any collision. Okay, why is that? Because the internal forces on the collision is much greater to the external forces. That's why we can consider the external forces are as as zero. Okay. So there are three types of collision. So we are dealing with one dimensional. So for example, we are in the x-axis. So the number one collision is the inelastic inelastic collision. Okay, we have three actually. So number two is the completely inelastic collision. And number three is the elastic collision. Okay, so what is the difference between these three? So, but the good thing is that in any collision, all of this, the total momentum P is constant. Okay. But for example, let's discuss the first for the okay. I'm sorry. So let's have first this one. Let's arrange this one. So let's go first to uh inelastic collision. So one-dimensional inelastic collision. So we have here the one-dimensional. So uh one-dimensional inelastic collision. Okay, so for example, we have two objects. Object A, padalong siya dira, na siya, is one-dimensional naman ni siya. Let's put this VAX. And we have a B approaching in that direction, VBX. Okay, this is the initial. Okay, and we have here the during the collision, A and B. Okay, and we have after the collision. Okay, this is now the final velocity of our set A, and this is now our final velocity of our VBX prime. Okay, so what unsa man ning but pasabot sa inelastic collision. Okay. So number one, okay, diba in any collision the the total momentum is conserved. So but pasabot the px is equal to the the total momentum in the x component is equal to the total momentum in the the final total momentum. Okay, for example, naman tay initial total momentum here, which is the momentum, okay, which is the momentum of A plus the initial momentum of B is equal to the momentum final of A plus the final momentum of B. Okay. So what this unsa man ibot pasabot ani? So this is the mass of A, the initial velocity of A plus the mass of B, the initial velocity of B. It means that this is equal to the mass of A, the velocity of this one, plus the mass of B, the final velocity of B. Okay, so muna siya. So it applies nga ang total momentum is conserved or constant. However, if you look at the kinetic energy, okay, we have here the kinetic energy A, the initial, plus the kinetic energy B. If we add that one, this is not equal to the final kinetic energy A plus the final kinetic energy B. Okay. So what so if we look at this one, this is 1/2 ma v ax squared plus 1/2 mv vbx squared. This is equal to not equal to 1/2 ma vax prime squared prime plus 1/2 mv vbx squared prime. So what does it mean is that some of the kinetic energy is lost. Okay. Na ay mga sa, so before the collision, after the collision, so after some kinetic energy G na siya it has an energy lost after the collision. So after the collision, some kinetic energy is lost. Okay, so muna siya ibot pasabot sa inelastic collision. Na kay collision, momentum is conserved, but however, if you look at the kinetic energy na ang before the collision uh, is not equal to the final collision sa final value sa iyang kinetic energy. So na yung mga nawala nga kinetic energy. Okay. So the second one that I discuss is the one-dimensional uh, completely inelastic collision. So what does it mean? What's the difference? Okay, uh so number one, okay, the total momentum in the x component, the p total is constant. Okay, number two, so uh the kinetic energy, sum of the kinetic energy, okay, sum of this kinetic energy is there is a kinetic energy lost. So meaning, although the momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not equal before the collision and after the collision. Okay. However, what's the difference? Okay. Natay A, for example, moving in that direction. We have B moving in this direction. This is our initial velocity. Okay. This is during the collision. Okay. And what happens? The difference is that A and B, uh, if we say completely inelastic collision, A and B now have the same final velocity, Vx. So unlike sa atong inelastic collision, okay, uh, conserve ang momentum, ang kinetic energy is not constant, pero wala sila nagdikit. Pero ang completely inelastic collision, pag magbangga gani sila, ang A ug B, they have the same uh, velocity na final velocity. So meaning, ang atong Vax prime, atong final velocity sa x, pareha siyang value sa Vvx prime, which is we denote as Vx prime. Okay. So if we apply these values, okay, we have the initial, since the momentum is conserved, so the total momentum is equal to the initial, final total momentum is equal to the initial. So MA, so okay, so we have the momentum of AX plus the momentum of BX is equal to the momentum of AX prime plus the momentum of BX prime. Okay, so we have MA VAX plus MB VBX is equal to MA VAX prime plus MB VBX prime. So however, since they have the same velocity final, so we can factor this out, MA, okay, plus MB over V prime. So this is the difference. But again, since this is an elastic collision, the kinetic energy Ka plus the Kb is not equal to Ka prime plus Kb prime. Okay. Meaning, some of the kinetic energy is lost. Okay. Some kinetic energy was lost. Okay. Or naay siya kinetic energy lost after the collision. Okay, and the third one, okay. So one-dimensional elastic collision. So what's the difference of this? So number one here, also that the px is constant gihapon. So meaning, like we said, the momentum in any collision is conserved. Number two, kinetic energy is constant. Okay, constant. This is the difference between the other two collisions. Okay. So if we try to look at this one, this equation is this collision is as much more complicated than the other two. Okay, so if we apply this one, so for example, we have this collision, we have this object A, we have this object B. Okay. Mhm. Okay, this object B. Uh, so this is during the collision. This is after the collision. So they have now V AX prime. Okay. So usually to some of this to make an elastic collision, ang uban na magamit sila og spring cross na say spring diri. Okay. Kaya pagbangga nila ang kinetic energy ma stored as potential energy sa spring, then will ma-convert na po that as to kinetic energy. So that's the reason why the kinetic energy is constant, meaning wala siya nakuhaan. Okay, although na-convert siya to potential, i-convert na po siya balik sa kinetic energy. Okay. Uh, uh, if we try to apply this one, okay, so I will be I will not be writing this one. Diretso na ko. So for one, we have the equation MA VA X. The moment this is the conservation of momentum. MB is equal to MA VAX prime plus MB VBX prime. Okay. So we can make this one. We can we can combine the masses, the term with the same mass. So we have MA VAX minus MA VAX prime is equal to MB VBX prime minus MB VBX prime. So we can have MA VAX minus VAX prime is equal to MB VBX prime minus VBX. So this it has no prime. Okay. Okay. So this is our so this is what we get from the equation one. We call this one as equation two. So from the kinetic energy, since the kinetic energy is constant, we can make this one Ka plus Kb is equal to Ka prime plus Kb prime. So 1/2 Ma Vax squared prime squared plus 1/2 Mb 1/2 Ma Vax squared prime plus 1/2, or we should say uh maybe squared prime or prime squared plus MB VB X prime squared. Okay. So just like what we did here in number one, so we'll cancel this one. Since the kinetic energy is constant, cancel this one, cancel. And we have MA, and we're gonna transfer this term, okay? VAX squared minus VAX prime squared is equal to MB V Vx prime squared minus V Vx squared. Okay, so this is our equation 3. So these two equations, we're going to use this one to make some useful equations. We're gonna combine these two to make a useful equations na magamit nato sa ato ang mga examples. Okay. So let's use this equation 2 and equation 3 at para magamit nato sa ato ang uh, new equations nga atong ma-useful sa problem. Okay, most of the problems diri kay two unknowns na siya. Actually, two unknowns. So given this one, so na kay two unknowns, so you would require a lot of equations for this. Okay. So we have gonna use the equation 2 MA. So so what's this? VAX minus VAX prime. This is equal to MB VBX prime minus VBX. Okay. The other one, the equation 3 is this one, MA VAX squared minus VAX prime squared. This is equal to MB VAX uh, X prime squared minus VBX squared. Okay. So this equation 3, since if you look at this one, this is in this form. A squared minus B squared is actually equal to A squared A minus B times A plus B. If we apply this one, this equation 3 now will become, this equation 3 will now become like this. MA uh, VAX squared, I know there's no squared anymore, minus VAX prime times this one, this term, VAX plus VAX prime, and we can transform the other side to MB VBX prime minus VBX, okay, times VBX prime plus VBX. Okay. So now we can see here sa equation 2 that MA is just equal to this one. Okay. So we can actually substitute this equation into this. So we have MB, instead of writing this one, VBX prime minus VBX. Okay. This is equal to MB. This is, sorry, not yet, times VAX plus VAX prime MB, mana ka there? VBX prime minus VBX prime plus VBX. If you look at this one, the same sila. Ito na. This one is this one. Okay, we are left with the very important equation where the initial velocity of A plus the final velocity of A, this is equal to the final velocity of B plus the final velocity of initial velocity of B. Actually, if gusto gid nimo magkuha og formula aning A ug B, this one, pwede na to makuha na uh, using this equation here, equation 4. Okay. But I will be kanang mag so ang advantage ito, although na kay formula, maka-answer ka using that formula. But the problem of that is that kanang kung makalimot ka sa formula, so mo na disadvantage din pag ka-answer. So I'll be obeying the book where kanang concept ra akong ihatag, meaning kanang dili mo siya malimtan. Okay. So here, so let's analyze this one ato pa siyang expand. So kani siya, for example, pwede nato ni siya hatagan nato siya meaning. Okay. So VAX ato siyang i-combine sa mga initial minus VBX. This is equal to VBX prime minus VAX prime. So unsay bot pasabot ani niya? Okay. So this is very, okay, number 5. Okay. Let's continue this one. Taga na to siya meaning. Okay. So let's write it again. the initial velocity of A minus the initial velocity of B is equal to the velocity final of B minus the velocity initial of A. So here, if we draw this again, natay an object of mass A na siya initial velocity. Okay. Mass B na siya initial velocity B. Okay. If I'm the person here looking at this object, okay, this is the velocity of A relative to this person and the velocity of B relative to this person. Also, okay, these are these velocities relative to that person. However, if you would like to know the velocity of A, okay, relative to B, okay, so this is equal to this equation, actually VAX minus VBX. So this term means that that is the velocity of A relative to the velocity of B. Okay. Now, uh, we know that in our discussion in chapter 3 also that this is equal also to the negative velocity of B with respect to A. So what does it mean? This is equal to so this one, ang butang pasabot ana, this is just the velocity of B, okay? Negative the velocity of B with respect to the A, okay? So, therefore, this equation here, kaniyatang 5, pwede na to siya i-substitute this one by this equation. So, it will become now the negative, the velocity of B with respect to the velocity of A, okay? This is equal to the velocity of B minus the velocity of A prime, okay? Sa may bot pasabot ana, what does it mean? Okay. So sa straight line daw ko no, elastic collisions of two objects. Okay? Two objects. So ato na i-draw naman na sila A after nila nag-collide na sila yung mga final velocity. V A x prime. So in a straight line elastic collision of two objects, the relative velocities before and after the collision have the same magnitude but opposite sign. Okay. So muna siya ang but pasabot ani nga equation. So these equations kung atong i-wrap up, natay tulo ka nga na derive nga equations. So, number one, sa elastic collision, this is for the elastic collision. So we know that the in x component, the total momentum along that component is conserved. Number two, the kinetic energies Ka, Kx plus Ka x Kb or Kb or Kbx or Ka lang is just the equal to the final kinetic energies. And the third one that we derive is this. Kani siya, katong this one, B uh, minus baby x is equal to VBX minus minus VAX prime. So, sa may significance sana. So, sa elastic collisions naman good, most of the problems are two unknowns na. So, kinahanglan tag-match mini equations para to deal with that kind of problems. Okay. So say for example, we have this example. So this example is maybe mag-start sige dire lang ta kay mo itong last na discuss kanila natong example. This is a type of elastic collisions na kay mga initial velocities. Initial, then na kay final velocities. So nagbangga sila after. So ang problema ni kay duha ka unknowns. Given the masses, given the initial velocities, you are asked to find what are the final velocities of these two objects. Which is, I can say that medyo lisod siya. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So, ato na siya yung butang diri. Ito itapat, pwede ta maglisod. Okay. And we copy this. And we play. Okay, before we start. Okay, let's try to answer this one. Okay, in this problem, so naman tayo mga tulo ka equations na na-derive. Okay, let's try to answer use equation 3. So, muna. Ang relative velocities, this is equal to V A X prime. Okay. So, VBX, negative of, so ato na lang siyang balihon diretso, no? VBX prime, the final velocity, minus, so I'm referring to this 2, X prime. So, manang VA2X is equal to negative of the initial velocity of B relative to A. So here, we have VBX prime minus the final velocity of B minus the final velocity of A is equal to the negative of negative 2.0 meters per second minus, okay, so minus 2.0 meters per second. So we have negative 4 inside times negative, so we have 4.0 meters per second. So VBX prime minus VAX prime is equal to this equation. Okay. So this is our equation 1 in this problem. Okay. To get to answer another equation, so let's apply this, the conservation of momentum, where the total momentum x is equal to, initial is equal to the final. So this gives us MA VAX plus MB, ang mga initial, VBX. Okay? Kaya nga no gani ni, kung atong i-recall, this is just the momentum of A plus the momentum of B is equal to the momentum of A prime plus the momentum of B prime. So this is equal to MA VAX prime plus MB VBX prime. Okay. Uh, hmm. Okay, what are the masses? Okay, so we have um 0 point. Okay, so we have initial, so we have 0.50 kilograms in this side times 2.0 plus 0.30 uh, kilograms times negative 2.0 meters per seconds, and is this equal to 0.50 kilograms times the VAX squared half prime plus 0.30 kilograms VX prime. Okay, so let's solve for the right hand side. So let's open our calculator. 0.50 times 2 plus 0.30 times negative 2. So we have here, ato na lang ibalik taron, 0.50 kilograms times VAX prime plus 0.30 kilograms VBX prime is equal to 0.40. What is the unit this one? 0.40 kilograms meters per second. Okay. Okay, since the kilogram is common, so this will be now our equation 2 for this problem. So let's cancel these kilograms. Kay common man na sila. Okay, we divide both sides by 1 kilogram para ma-cancel. So we have now two equations. Okay, number one is ang ato ang final velocity minus the initial velocity. The final velocity sa atong A is equal to 4.0 meters per second. Then sa PCAS, we have 0.50 VA uh, meters per second. Uh, 0.50 na lang. Okay, times VAX. So, atong na lang ang B para ma-uniform ta. Okay. So, let's try to write this first. Pareha, pwede naman. 0.30 VBX prime plus 0.50 VAX prime is equal to 0.40 now meters per second. Okay. So para uh, ma-cancel out natin na siya, let's multiply both sides by 2. Okay. So this will become now 0.60 VBX prime plus it will become 1 VAX prime. This is equal to 0.80 meters per second. This is now, I'm gonna add this one para matong ma-eliminate. VBX prime, kani siya. This one. Minus VAX is equal to 0.4 meters per second. Okay, let's add this one. If we add this one, you get cancel out. So, manay sa subscript nga 1. So, 1 plus 0.6. So, 1.6 will become 1.60 VBX. Okay, prime. And this one, 4 plus 0.8, 4.880 meters per second. Okay, we can now get the first value, which is 4.80 meters per second divided by 1.60. So this is equal to 4.8 divided by 1.60. So this is equal to 3.0 meters per second. So that is our first, this is our first value. Okay, to get the VAX prime, okay, to get that, we're gonna use this equation here, this one, okay. So since we know the VBX, so we have which is equal to 3.0 meters per second, okay. So this one, you're gonna use that equation and substitute VBX minus VAX prime is equal to 4.0 meters per second. Okay. So now, what will happen? Saan natabo na? So negative VAX prime, this is equal to 4.0 meters per second minus 3.0 meters per second. Negative VAX prime is equal to 1.0 meters per second divided by negative 1 over negative 1. So we have our VAX is equal to negative 1.0 meters per second. Okay, so muna siya. That is the answer for our this problem. Okay. Hmm. So let's have another example. So the example 8.5, I will leave this one to you as your uh exercise. I will not be solving this one. However, I'm gonna solve another problem. Example 8.7. This is a completely inelastic collision. So, muna yatong gingon nga collision siya where they have same final velocity. Okay, so these are the given values na kay A ug B na yung mga masses, na yung mga initial velocities. You are asked to find what are the common final velocities. So we can clearly see that this is an inelastic collision, completely inelastic collision. So unsa ganito yung mga mga conditions ani or mga unsa ganito yung naani. Okay, number one, the momentum is conserved. So one-dimensional naman eh. The total momentum is conserved. Number two, ang kinetic energy is not the kinetic energy is not the same before and final. Okay, na may mga kinetic energy is na may mga na lost nga mga kinetic energy. So may mga kinetic energy lost. So number three, they have the same or they have common final velocity. So here, to answer this problem, so if you remember, haman na to tong elastic, completely inelastic collisions, we can actually use this conservation of momentum. Okay. So where the initial is equal to the final, where this is equal to PA plus PB is equal to PA prime plus PB prime. Okay. Uh, so so what do you have here? So MA VAX plus MB is equal to MA plus MB. So we've derived this one that they have a common velocity prime. Okay. So we are asked to find this one. Muna itong target variable. Okay. We will divide both sides by MA plus MB. Uh, okay. So our final velocity, common final velocity is just MA plus MA times VAX plus MB VBX over MA plus MB. So we have 0.50 kilograms times 2.0 meters per second plus 0.30 kilograms over negative 2.0 meters per second divided by 0.50 kilograms plus 0.30 kilograms. Okay, let's do calculations. So open our calculator. 50 times 2 plus 0.30 times negative 2.0 over 0.5 plus 0.3. So we have our final velocity in this problem is 0.500. Okay, nga nung 500 man, 0.5 meters per second. This is the final velocity. Okay. So nga ng 50 man sa di man 0.5. So because of the significant figures. Okay. So ang inyong exercise is to answer this one. If you want to know if correct mo, so just look at our book.